Hello guys, welcome to the very first video. Welcome to Code Beginners, and I'm going to teach you HTML and CSS, and this is the very first lecture about HTML basics. So I can use to write HTML text. I can write it in Sublime Text, and I can write in Dreamweaver. I can write in Notepad++, but I will recommend that you must start from the Notepad. Okay, so we will start from Notepad as it's an example like an automatic car and a manual car. Okay, so if you know how to drive a manual car, then you will drive an automatic car easily. So these are like automatic cars, so you have to first learn how to drive manually. Okay, search for Notepad. All right, so about HTML, I would like to tell you that what is HTML. HTML is basically a hypertext markup language which is used in browsers to write text. Okay, the text and other things, the paragraphs you see on a page in browser, it is used in that. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, on the very top we are required to write that type of thing. This is doc type HTML. It tells the browser that this I'm going to give you a file that has HTML type. Okay, so after that you have in HTML you have tags, a pair of tags, an opening tag and then a closing tag like that. Every tag, each and every tag, you are required to open a tag like that, and then you are required to close a tag like that. In this, so in this part, you have more parts, two further parts, okay, in the HTML file. That one is head, and we will close that tag head, and the other part is body tag. All right, the body tag. We are required to close that body tag. All right. So in head tag you can see that like in the browser you are watching this, okay, this title on the tab, Mozilla Firefox start page. All right, so let's give it head. In the head tag you can give a title and other things. Let's give it a title. All right, so you must know how to indent your code so that it may be readable for everyone. So just remember to separate your tags. It may be clearer. Okay. So you can write anything in that title. So let's write code beginners. Okay. So write code beginners, and then you are required to save that file on desktop. Anywhere you can save that. Make sure that all the files regarding HTML and CSS you save in only one folder. So let's save that index.html. One thing to remember, that .html is necessary when you are writing an HTML file. So you have to specify that this is an HTML file. In place of index you can write anything. You can write code, you can write beginner, but I will write index. Okay, so index.html, and now it is saved. So whatever your default browser is, your file will be saved in that. Okay, so you just open that and look at that. This is code beginners. This is the title that I was talking about. So this was the very first video. In the upcoming video I'm going to tell you about headers and paragraphs and other things. So if you really like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.